Hey guys, it's Creeper Gaming, or Creeper at Your Door from the Minecraft forums. And today I'm going to be showing you about my new release for my Modpack creator, which has been entirely recoded in C++. Now, of course, if you've noticed that my mic quality is a little bit bad compared to my other videos, that's because right now I'm using my webcam microphone. And the reason that I'm using my webcam microphone is because, my headset broke and I'm just kind of stuck with this now. But it gets the job done. So let's go ahead and start this tutorial. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to wherever you downloaded my latest Modpack creator. And this is for version 1.5a of my Modpack creator. Since a lot has changed since my last video where I did version 1.0. But anyways, so right here is where I have mine. I'm just going to paste that onto my desktop for the sake of this tutorial. I'm just going to go ahead and move this aside because this is all stuff that is not part of the tutorial. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is, you can't really see this because of my background, sorry about that. Just go ahead and open this with WinRAR or whatever file archiving program you use, and you're just going to want to extract it. Then once you extract it, you're just going to want to delete this because this doesn't matter anymore. And I'm going to go ahead and clear up some confusion that you guys might have. This isn't really an automatic mod installer. This is really more of a Modpack creator for you to create a mod pack for your friends. I mean, it can be used as an automatic mod installer, but that was not originally the intended purpose. So anyways, now we're just going to go ahead and open this up. We can delete the README because I'm giving you the instructions right now, and we don't need that. This is just the change log. It's got all my fixes and stuff in there. You can read that if you want, but I'm going to delete that because if you guys are going to give this to somebody else, which this was actually the intended purpose, that you basically compile a mod pack, you zip this up, and then you give it to some of your friends. They don't want to see that README in that that thing there because they're going to be like, oh, what? You know? But, I mean, you can keep the changelog if you want, but the README, I mean, that's only if you're going to make the mod pack. But, okay, so we're going to go ahead and go into the installer files, and as you can see, this has changed a little bit. That new mods folder is no longer there. As the new C++ version, I've also learned a couple more Windows batch file commands that new mods folder thing really wasn't necessary because I can actually use the make directory command. You guys don't need to worry about that if you're not coding. But anyways, so now, we've just got the standard mods folder, place mods here. We're just going to delete that because this is where we're going to place the mods, and we don't want that text file in our mods folder. And I'm going to go ahead and just move my mods folder out onto my desktop for now because I want to back up my mods because I don't want them to be deleted before I start the tutorial. So, now what we're going to want to do, what you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to go to any place where you would get some mods. Just go download some mods. I can show you guys a really cool website where you can download some mods. Just let me pull it up here. It's called MCF Mod List. There's a link up here. I'll put the link in the description of the video. And possibly in my forums post, I'll just keep it to the description of the video. But basically, you can just go to here, and this is just a cool website where you can search up some mods. So let's say, I want to download Mo Creatures. Let's go ahead and search that up. And then, as you can see, right here, Mo Creatures. And then let's say you wanted to search up, I wonder if there's a DayZ mod for Minecraft. Let's check. DayZ. Yep. Got a DayZ mod for Minecraft. Basically, you can search up any mod you want on here. And of course, you can also look through the list that's right here. You can scroll down and look for something that looks interesting. Like say, ooh, Animation API, that looks interesting. Or something like that, Basically, it's just a really cool website to search for mods, and I really like it. It helps me whenever I'm looking for a mod that I need for like a mod pack. And let's say maybe you wanted a food mod. Let's search up food. And then Amberogia adds a farmable crop which drops a food item. Coolers adds a cooler that automatically feeds the player food. It would basically show you all mods related to food. But, so, yeah, it's really cool. You can basically search up anything. And let's say you want something that added more mobs. Aliens vs. Predator adds mobs, this adds mobs, that adds mobs. You get the idea. So, you can just search up basically any general thing on here. Now, I've been wasting some time on this, and I'm going to go back to the tutorial. This is just my Minecraft forums thing. Okay, let's see. So, now what we're going to want to do is once you've downloaded some mods that you want to try out, you can go ahead and get them from here. I've already got plenty of mods pre-downloaded, so I'm just going to grab Not Enough Items, Code Chicken Core, maybe Biomes of Plenty, I don't know, maybe, what else? Decapitator. You get the idea. Just any mods that you want. Just copy and paste them in here. And this is where you're going to want to place your mods. Now, once you've got all the mods that you want to place in here, you can just go ahead and do a test run and run the installer and see if everything installs okay. Basically, once you've got the mod pack the way you want it, you just take this folder or these or whatever, just zip it up in a zip file, upload it to Mediafire or Dropbox, and then just send the link to your friends or put it in a Minecraft forums post or whatever. I really don't have any limits for this. You are free to use my mod pack creator in really anything you want, just to, you know, get your mod packs out there. And maybe you don't want to put it on the Technic launcher because it's such a hassle, or you want something that's like a client installer. Well, this is basically for you. Now, I will allow you to use it in any of your posts as long as you give credit to me for making the original installer. Well, and it's basically in the installer that it's mine. But all right, so we're gonna go ahead and show that this actually works. And you've probably seen it in my previous video, but we're just gonna run it. And as you can see, these are no longer batch files; these are EXEs, as it's been recoded in C++. Although it still has the familiar command prompt. So we're just going to go ahead and open this up. It'll say, "Welcome to CreeperEtchadore's Modpack installer." Just press any key to continue. So, do that. And as you can see right here, it's basically installed all the mods. Don't worry about this. Could not find config, could not find mods. Oh, what the heck? Oh, well that's a glitch. Okay, sorry about that. I think that's a kind of a glitch with my installer. But you're just going to press any key to continue. It'll copy the mods into your mods folder. And basically, then it's just going to bring up the Forge installer. Just click Install Client. And OK. And then it'll just install everything. And then just click OK. And then press any key to continue. That double window thing is a glitch that I also noticed in my development thing. I'm currently working on a fix for that. But as you can see, if we go into our .minecraft, there's a mods folder and all the mods that we have. Now, we're just going to go ahead and start up our Minecraft, wherever mine is. There. So we're just going to go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. And yours is probably on your guys' desktop, but I just like to launch mine through Steam. And now we're just going to go ahead and open this up. And this is just a Steam GUI thing. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to Edit Profile. And then once you go to Edit Profile, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to select Release 1.7.2 Forge 10.12.2.1121, or if you want a shortcut to this, we can also select the Forge profile here. You can log in again if you want to, but I just hit play because it always works for me. And then you've got the Forge profile here. It's already got everything set up. Now you just hit play. And we wait for everything to load. And once everything loads, we should have all the mods installed that we've compiled into our mod pack. Now we simply just wait for everything to load. Minecraft should pop up here in a second. And once it pops up, you should have everything installed. So basically it's just an easy little mod pack installer that, you know, it allows you to install your mods and whatnot. and basically makes it easy for everybody because they just run the installer and then everything's installed. You can also run the uninstaller and it removes everything. And it'll put you back to your normal default Minecraft. So anyways, this is just a message from Biomes Aplenty because I added that. I'm just going to click OK. And then this is basically the Modpack. Now this is just a little feature of BSPKRS Core. I don't know who that actually is. I'm assuming somebody that contributed to the mod. But yeah, so anyways, so now we're just going to go ahead and do single player, create a new world. Let's just do creative for now. Let's create a new world. Now we just wait for everything to load up, and we should have all the mods. It's just going to take a little bit here. Eventually, I'm planning to add a GUI. Once my post hits 500 views, I will start working on a GUI for this. So basically, it will just be an all-in-one EXE. You just open it, and it'll have probably just have like two buttons, installer and uninstaller. And why aren't I moving forward? Okay, there we go. This is very laggy because I'm using a screen recorder right now. But yeah, so if we go into our inventory, we can see that we have not enough items installed because it's got all the stuff from not enough items right here. We're just going to hide that for now. And then as you can see, we have Biomes Aplenty. Where's the Mo Creatures stuff? I have no idea. But yeah, basically we have Biomes Aplenty installed. And I believe I installed Mo Creatures, didn't I? Or, oh wait, no, I think I didn't. I think I left that out. But as you can see, we got Biomes Aplenty. It adds some new foliage and some different stuff. But, yeah. Why am I sinking? Okay. Forward. But, yeah, as you can see, we got all kinds of stuff here. And, yeah, all the mods are installed correctly. So, got everything that I installed. Oh yeah, and let's test if Tree Capitator works. So we're just going to grab an axe here. Why am I going sideways? Okay, again, for some reason the screen recorder is making my Minecraft glitch out. And there we go, chop down the entire tree. So Tree Capitator works. That's good. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and save and quit. And that's basically it for this tutorial. So, anyways, guys, basically the same thing as 1.0, but I just wanted to demonstrate my new thing, just to give you guys kind of an update post. And I will be making a GUI version, maybe even if the post doesn't reach 500 views, but I know that eventually it will. But I am going to be working on a GUI version because I think that would be pretty cool. That, you know, you just open it up, there's a window, and then you just, it would just say, like, welcome to Creeper at Your Doors Modpack install or something like that. And it would say, and then there would be a button for install Modpack and remove Modpack or something like that. But anyways, guys, that's really it for this tutorial. So, yeah, that was my tutorial. Going to be posting this on my Minecraft forums post once it's uploaded. And, yeah, guys, I'll see you all later.